Have you ever wondered why every time you hear stock market news, two names always come up, NSE and BSE? Is there a difference between them? Which one is bigger? Which one should beginners choose? And if you buy a stock on the NSE, can you sell it on the BSE? These questions confuse millions of new investors around the world. In today's video, we'll explain everything about NSE versus BSE in simple language. By the end of this video, you'll understand how both exchanges work, their key differences, their advantages, and which one is right for your investment journey. Let's get started. What is a stock exchange? Before comparing NSE and BSE, let's understand what a stock exchange actually is. Imagine a giant online marketplace. Instead of buying clothes or electronics, people buy and sell ownership in companies. This ownership is called shares or stocks. A stock exchange provides a secure platform where buyers and sellers can trade these shares. It ensures fair pricing, transparency, and regulated transactions. Without stock exchanges, investing in companies would be difficult, risky, and unorganized. What is BSE? The Bombay Stock Exchange, or BSE, is the oldest stock exchange in Asia. It was established in 1875, making it one of the oldest stock exchanges in the entire world. For more than 150 years, BSE has played an important role in India's financial growth. Thousands of companies are listed on BSE. Its benchmark index is called the Sensex. Sensex tracks the performance of 30 of India's largest and most financially strong companies. Whenever you hear the news saying Sensex gained 500 points, they are referring to the BSE index. What is NSE? The National Stock Exchange, or NSE, started operations in 1994. Although much younger than BSE, NSE quickly became India's largest stock exchange by trading volume. NSE introduced fully electronic trading, making buying and selling shares faster and more transparent. Its benchmark index is the Nifty 50. The Nifty 50 represents 50 of India's leading companies across multiple industries. Today, Nifty is one of the most closely watched stock market indexes in India. Why does India have two stock exchanges? Many beginners wonder why India has two major stock exchanges. The answer is simple. Competition encourages innovation. Having multiple exchanges creates better technology, competitive pricing, improved services, and more choices for investors. Many countries also have more than one stock exchange. For example, the United States has both the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ. Similarly, India has BSE and NSE. Let's compare them side by side. Feature NSE. BSE founded 1994, 1875. Full name National Stock Exchange. Bombay Stock Exchange. Benchmark Index. Nifty. Sensex Trading Volume. Higher lower listed companies. Around 2,000 plus 5,000 plus. Technology. Highly advanced. Modern electronic trading. Popular among traders, long-term investors. Both exchanges are regulated by India's market regulator, SEBI, making them safe and trustworthy. Why does NSE have higher trading volume? One of the biggest differences between NSE and BSE is liquidity. Liquidity simply means how easily you can buy or sell a stock. Higher liquidity means ARSHA, faster order execution. Smaller price differences. Better trading experience. Since NSE has significantly higher daily trading volume, many traders prefer NSE, especially day traders, futures traders, and options traders. Why does BSE have more listed companies? While NSE has more trading activity, BSE has more listed companies. Many small and medium-sized businesses choose BSE for listing. This gives investors access to a wider variety of companies. Some companies are listed only on BSE. Others are listed only on NSE. Many large companies are listed on both. Dual listing explained. Let's understand this with an example. Imagine company ABC. It is listed on both NSE and BSE. If you open your trading app, you'll notice two options. ABC on NSE, ABC on BSE. Although prices remain almost identical because of market forces, small differences may occur for a few seconds due to demand and supply. This is completely normal. Can you buy on NSE and sell on BSE? Yes, but there are some conditions. If your broker supports inter-exchange transfers and settlement rules are followed, shares can generally be transferred between exchanges because they are held electronically in your demat account. However, the exact process depends on your broker and settlement regulations. For most long-term investors, this happens seamlessly in the background. Which exchange is better for beginners? The truth is, neither exchange is universally better. It depends on your investing style. If you're mainly investing in large companies, either exchange works well. If you actively trade every day, many traders prefer NSE because of its higher liquidity. If you're exploring smaller companies, BSE offers a broader range of listed businesses. For most beginners, your broker will often select the exchange automatically based on liquidity and order execution. What about brokerage charges? Many people believe NSE is cheaper than BSE. In reality, brokerage depends mostly on your broker, not the exchange itself. However, exchanges charge transaction fees, and these can vary slightly. For retail investors, the difference is usually very small and shouldn't be the main factor when choosing where to trade. Are stock prices different? Sometimes yes. Usually only by a tiny amount. For example, a company's share may trade at that NSE RS 1000 BSE RS 1003. Professional traders quickly take advantage of these tiny price differences through a strategy called arbitrage. As a result, prices usually become nearly identical again within seconds. Which companies are included in Nifty and Sensex? Nifty 50 contains 50 leading companies from sectors such as technology, banking, healthcare, energy, consumer goods, automobiles, telecommunications. Sensex contains 30 financially strong companies representing similar major industries. Both indexes are regularly reviewed and updated to reflect the market. Which index should investors follow? There is no single correct answer. If you want to understand the broader Indian market, following both Nifty and Sensex provides a balanced view. Many financial experts use Nifty because it includes more companies, while Sensex remains one of the world's oldest and most recognized stock indexes. Common myths about NSE and BSE. Let's clear up a few common misconceptions. Myth 1. NSE is safer than BSE. Reality, both exchanges are regulated by SEBI and follow strict regulations. Myth 2. BSE is outdated. Reality, BSE uses modern electronic trading systems and continues to innovate. Myth 3. You must choose only one exchange. Reality, many investors trade on both, depending on where the stock is listed or where liquidity is better. Myth 4. Stock prices remain different all day. Reality, any differences are usually very small and corrected quickly by the market. Tips for beginners. If you're just starting your investment journey, keep these tips in mind. Learn the basics before investing. Focus on financially strong companies. Don't chase short-term market movements. Invest regularly through a disciplined strategy. Diversify your investments. Think long-term. Avoid making decisions based on emotions. And always do your own research before investing. Final thoughts. So what have we learned today? The Bombay Stock Exchange is India's oldest stock exchange with thousands of listed companies and the Sensex Index. The National Stock Exchange is India's largest exchange by trading volume and is home to the widely followed Nifty 50 index. Both are trusted, well-regulated and essential parts of India's financial markets. Whether you choose NSE or BSE, what truly matters is investing wisely, staying patient, and continuously improving your financial knowledge. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who are learning about investing. Subscribe to BNR Universe for easy-to-understand videos on stock markets, investing, personal finance, and wealth building. Leave a comment below and tell us, do you follow the Nifty or the Sensex more closely, and why? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy investing!